So now we're going to take one of the paper clips and we're going to make a spring. So we want to bring this one around and hold it in place and just wind this around. You could go around as many times as you want, but probably about 5 times is good. After that, you can clip the ends, but you don't want to ruin your cutters, so a good hack is just to hold this with your flat pliers and bend this back and forth until it snaps. And we can do the same on this side. Hold this with the flat pliers, bend it back and forth until it snaps. So we have our spring. Pinch it in a bit if you need to. And now we want to form the ring. We'll take our marker and we're just going to wind this one around to make the ring form. You don't want that end to be straight, we want it to be curved. So just take this end and break it off, unless you have some heavy duty cutters. And we want these ends to meet exactly. And then we're just going to take this end and we're going to bend it back and forth until it breaks. Do any adjusting you have to make sure these ends connect flush. You can just wear this as a ring if you like. You can make a bunch of them just simple like that. Or we can take this spring, remove it, and we're going to stick this on one side, wiggle it in a bit, and stick it on the other side and wiggle it. You want the ends to connect at the halfway point. So hold this, and then we want to take these ends and give it a little pinch to hold it in place. The same on this side. If you're not sure it's going to stay, you can put some crazy glue on the ends of the wire before you push them in. If your ends are sharp, just file them or pinch them in a little bit more so they don't stick out. And there you have your super fun little paperclip ring with the spring closing. And then if you want to stack up your rings, you can put a few on one finger and make a bunch of these stackable rings. If you want a little more give, you can just cut off a little bit on one side, curve it out again, and then here too you might want to take a little more off that side. You can file those ends. This way there's a little more give and you don't see that part because it's at the back.